I'm Jasmine Hughes. I'm a field tech for FDRI. I've been working here for about a year. The Surfbee is the biggest boat that we have in our suites. We use it for monitoring the flow of rivers. We'd use the Surfbee in occasions where we needed a boat which could handle really high flows, which the other boats couldn't necessarily handle. We'd also use it when we wanted really consistent measurements because it can drive autonomously between set locations, so it can take really reliable transects. Another advantage of the Surfbee is that it has interchangeable payloads. So right now it can be used for measuring the flow of water and how fast it's moving, but we can also switch in other equipment for water quality or any other sensor like that. So it measures the speed of particles which are moving in the water. It does this using the Doppler effect, which is something you would usually experience. For instance, when a police car or something is going past and you hear the siren being stretched out, it uses that same principle of sending out sound waves which hit the moving particles, and then it listens for the return of that sound wave, and judging by how stretched out the sound wave is, it can determine how fast the particles are moving, which it uses to estimate how fast the water is moving and thereby calculate how much water is moving through the river. Okay, so this piece here is probably the most important thing. It's the ADCP, which is the acoustic Doppler current profiler. That's the actual piece of kit which is measuring the particles in the water and using that to calculate the flow. The rest of this is the Surfbee. So we've got a camera here at the front. We can use that to drive the Surfbee when it's out of eye shot if we needed to. That can give us a first-person camera view on the remotes. This is to do with the GPS, all of this equipment here. Inside this watertight compartment we've got the batteries. It takes some drill batteries. And at the back here we've got some propellers, which are quite powerful, and also a sideways propeller here which enables it to be really manoeuvrable in the water. The Surfbee is really important to FDRI because its larger size means that we can use it in much higher flows than our smaller boats. It's also inflatable. It's based upon a stand-up paddleboard design, so we can deflate that really easily and transport it. It's also a dedicated piece of FDRI equipment, so we're able to take that anywhere across the country whenever it's needed. Thank you very much for watching our demonstration. You can find out more about FDRI on the FDRI website.